Welcome to your next adventure. Today we're uncovering 10 must-visit tourist spots in the enchanting land of Estonia. From medieval wonders to serene natural landscapes, Estonia has it all. Whether you're a history buff, a nature enthusiast, or just someone itching for a unique getaway, this list is for you. So grab your passports and let's dive in. Our first stop takes us to the heart of Estonia, to Tallinn's Old Town, a perfectly preserved medieval city that's earned its place as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Imagine strolling down cobblestone streets, the scent of history hanging in the air, as you pass by colorful centuries-old merchant houses and towering church spires. You'll want to visit Alexander Nevsky Cathedral, an onion-domed masterpiece that transports you straight to Russia. And don't miss Toompea Castle, perched atop a hill with views that'll take your breath away. It's a hiker's dream, but trust me, the panorama of red-tiled roofs and the distant Baltic Sea is worth every step. Tallinn's Christmas market is like something out of a storybook, with twinkling lights, the aroma of gingerbread and mulled wine, and handcrafted treasures that make perfect souvenirs. Remember, half the fun of exploring a place like Tallinn's Old Town is getting delightfully lost. So ditch the map, wander aimlessly, and soak up the magic of this living, breathing medieval city. Next up, we're trading the cobblestone streets for the serene beauty of Lahemaa National Park, Estonia's largest and oldest national park. Imagine yourself hiking through dense forests, the air crisp and clean, surrounded by towering pines and the sweet scent of pine needles underfoot. You might even spot some of the local wildlife. Majestic moose and shy brown bears roam these woods. One of my favorite things to do here is to take a leisurely stroll along the boardwalks of Viru Bog. Picture this, you're surrounded by a mystical landscape of peat bogs and marshes, the air thick with the scent of damp earth and wildflowers, and after a day of exploring, there's nothing quite like unwinding in a cozy lakeside cabin, the gentle lapping of water against the shore lulling you into a peaceful slumber. It's the perfect way to reconnect with nature and recharge your batteries. Our Estonian escapade takes us to the country's largest island, Saaremaa. This island boasts the remarkably preserved Kuressaare Castle. Imagine, this medieval fortress, rising majestically from the shores, has stood the test of time for over 700 years. Exploring its ramparts and towers is like taking a journey back to the days of knights and conquerors. But Saaremaa isn't just about history. This island is famous for its spas, and not just any spas, mud spas. A mud treatment here is the perfect way to pamper yourself and rejuvenate your body. And when you're not soaking up the history or indulging in spa treatments, explore the island's picturesque villages, windswept coastlines, and charming lighthouses. Saaremaa is a place where you can truly slow down, breathe in the fresh sea air, and embrace the tranquility of island life. Get ready to soak up the sun because our next stop is Pärnu, Estonia's summer capital. Pärnu is the epitome of a laid-back beach town, with wide sandy beaches that stretch for miles, inviting you to kick back, relax, and catch some rays. Imagine yourself strolling along the promenade, lined with charming cafes and restaurants, the aroma of freshly brewed coffee and delicious seafood wafting through the air. Find a spot at an outdoor table. Order a plate of freshly caught fish, and watch the world go by. This is a water sports paradise, with opportunities for paddleboarding, windsurfing, and even kite surfing if you're feeling adventurous. But no trip to Pärnu is complete without indulging in a local culinary delight, a steaming bowl of creamy Estonian mushroom soup. Now, for those of you looking to venture off the beaten path, I'm taking you to two very special islands, Hiiumaa and Kihnu. These islands offer a glimpse into a slower pace of life, a world where traditions run deep. Let's start with Hiiumaa, an island known for its iconic lighthouses that stand sentinel along its rugged coastline. Climbing to the top of one of these lighthouses and gazing out over the vast expanse of the Baltic Sea is an experience you won't soon forget. And then there's Kihnu, an island so steeped in tradition that its culture has been recognized by UNESCO. Imagine stepping onto an island where time seems to stand still, where locals still wear colorful traditional clothing, especially during vibrant festivals that celebrate their heritage. From the lighthouses of Hiiumaa to the cultural treasures of Kihnu, these islands offer a unique perspective on Estonian life, a chance to escape the hustle and bustle and reconnect with simpler times. Get ready to immerse yourselves in the youthful energy of Tartu, Estonia's second-largest city and its intellectual and cultural hub. Tartu is home to the prestigious University of Tartu, the oldest university in the Baltic states, and its youthful spirit permeates every corner of this charming city. As you stroll through Tartu's historic streets, you'll notice a captivating blend of old and new. Medieval architecture stands proudly alongside vibrant street art, creating a unique atmosphere that's both historic and hip. Be sure to check out the quirky upside-down house, a popular spot for those Instagram-worthy shots. And when you're not exploring the city's historical landmarks or admiring the street art, take some time to relax in one of Tartu's many open-air cafes. Hold on to your hats, adventure seekers, because we're heading to Suma National Park, a place unlike any other. Suma is known as the land of floods, and for a good reason. During certain times of the year, usually in spring, the rivers overflow their banks, transforming the landscape into a watery wonderland. Suma's floods create a unique opportunity for adventure. Imagine paddling a canoe through flooded forests, the water reflecting the sky like a mirror, the silence broken only by the sound of birdsong and the gentle splash of your paddle. This national park is a mosaic of bogs, forests, rivers, and meadows teeming with wildlife. Keep your eyes peeled for beavers, otters, and if you're lucky, even the elusive lynx. Whether you're paddling through flooded forests or hiking through pristine wilderness, a visit to Suma National Park is an unforgettable adventure. Our journey through Estonia takes us to the easternmost point of the country, to the border town of Narva, where we'll explore the mighty Narva Castle. This isn't just any castle. It's a fortress that has witnessed centuries of conflict and played a pivotal role in Estonian history. As you stand within its imposing walls, you can almost feel the weight of history bearing down on you. Imagine the battles that raged here, the clash of swords and the thunder of cannons, as Narva Castle changed hands between empires. Today, Narva Castle stands as a symbol of Estonian resilience and a testament to its strategic importance. Climb to the top of its towers for breathtaking views of the Narva River, which forms the natural border between Estonia and Russia. It's a poignant reminder of Estonia's complex past and its place in the world. Get ready to be charmed by the town of Viljandi, a hidden gem nestled in the heart of Estonia. Viljandi is a place where history and nature intertwine to create a truly magical atmosphere. As you wander through the town's cobblestone streets, you'll be greeted by colorful wooden houses, charming cafes, and the imposing ruins of Viljandi Castle. These ruins, perched atop a hill overlooking Lake Viljandi, are a testament to the town's rich past. Speaking of Lake Viljandi, it's the perfect place for a leisurely stroll or a relaxing afternoon picnic. Imagine yourself strolling along its shores, the gentle breeze whispering through the trees, as you soak up the tranquil beauty of this idyllic setting. If you're lucky enough to be here in the summer, don't miss the Viljandi Folk Music Festival, a celebration of Estonian folk music and traditions that attracts visitors from all over the world. So, if you're looking for a peaceful getaway, a place to escape the hustle and bustle of city life, Viljandi is calling your name. Finally, we come to the most magical experience of all, witnessing the northern lights dance across the Estonian sky. Estonia, particularly its northern coast and islands, offers some fantastic opportunities to see the aurora borealis. Imagine this. It's a crisp winter night, the air is still and cold, and you're bundled up in warm clothes, gazing up at the sky. Suddenly, a faint green glow appears on the horizon, like a whisper from the cosmos. And then, as if by magic, the sky erupts in a symphony of color. Vibrant greens, shimmering purples, and dancing pinks, a celestial ballet that takes your breath away. The best time to see the northern lights in Estonia is during the winter months, from September to April, when the nights are long and dark. Seeing the northern lights is a truly humbling experience, a reminder of the vastness of the universe and the beauty that surrounds us. And there you have it, 10 incredible places to visit in Estonia. Which one is your favorite? Or is there a hidden gem we missed? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your travel buddies, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing travel guides. Until next time, happy travels.